You know what I was doing? I was pushing you down the straightaways, trying to get you to. I was.